200 Rand in yourself. For you, your family, and your children. Then you go, you get the link. I give you the link. You put the 200 Rand. You get your own link. And you go and give it to people and they register as well. And then for them registering with your link, you get 60 Rand back on the Friday. In other words, if you get 10 guys, you get 600 Rand back on that 200 Rand you've invested. Then you take your Cellbox voucher and you go to Pick n Pay or OK Bazaars or Boxer or wherever you buy your groceries. You buy your groceries, you use that code. You put money into the voucher, you put it, you go and you buy your groceries, you use that money on a voucher, and you get money back on the 7th of the next month on the purchases that you have made. This is a win-win situation, guys. Get involved. Don't fall behind. This is a new way of living. Go